This video will present a short quiz on interacting with AI using the Python programming language. We'll explore the solution to a scrambled Rubik's pyramid, also known as a Rubik's triangle. First, let's look at the scattered front face of the Rubik's pyramid. Next, we examine the scattered right face of the Rubik's triangle or pyramid. Here is the scattered left face of the Rubik's triangle or pyramid. Finally, we see the scattered bottom face of the Rubik's triangle or pyramid. The first solution move to the scattered front face involves an anti-clockwise rotation of the floor triangle on the extreme left, shifting the blue triangle from the bottom face to the front face. The first anti-clockwise move does not change the right face, as seen here. For the scattered left face, the first anti-clockwise rotation of the extreme row floor triangle brings the front face's red triangle to the left face. The first anti-clockwise rotational move of the extreme tangent row floor triangle shifts the left face's yellow triangle to the bottom face. The second solution move is a clockwise rotation, moving the top yellow triangle of the pyramid toward the front face from the right face. During the second clockwise rotational move, the top triangle of the pyramid shifts, placing the red triangle from the left face onto the right face. The second clockwise rotational move shifts the green triangle of the front face to the left face. The second top rotational clockwise move results in no change to the bottom face. The third clockwise upward rotational move brings 5 extreme right tangent row triangles, the blue ones, upward from the bottom face toward the front face. In the third clockwise rotational move, the triangle pattern on the right face remains unchanged, but all triangles are shifted clockwise, as illustrated. The third clockwise rotational move brings the front face's extreme right tangent row triangles toward the left face, as shown. This move, which is the third clockwise rotational, shifts the extreme left tangent row triangle from the left side toward the bottom face. The fourth clockwise upward rotational move shifts the top blue triangle from the right face toward the front face, completing the solved front face. For the fourth clockwise top triangle rotational move, the top green triangle is shifted from the left face to the right face. The fourth clockwise rotational move of the top triangle shifts the red triangle from the front face to the left face. The fourth top triangle rotation move, in a clockwise direction, leads to no change in the bottom face. With the front face solved, all triangles are now blue in color. The fifth clockwise rotational move shifts the left face's extreme right tangent row triangles toward the right face's extreme left tangent row. This solves the right face with all red triangles. The fifth clockwise rotational move shifts the bottom face's extreme up row triangles toward the left face's extreme right row. This solves the left face with all yellow triangles. The fifth clockwise top triangle's row rotational move solves the bottom face by setting all triangles to green, from the extreme left tangent row of the right face to the bottom face. Now let's move on to a quick Python quiz on how to interact with AI. Here are a few more quiz questions covering Python's interaction with the OpenAI API, including image generation and request sequencing. Thank you for viewing this video. We hope you enjoyed both the puzzle solution and the quiz.